And this is fireworks video part 3, July 4th, 2018, Macy's Spectacular on the barges. I'm in too deep. Just want everyone to see a perfect view. I have the whole thing on camera. I got here right when it started after getting my cigarettes. The farther back I go, the better. Takes over the whole sky almost. I don't see the Earth's curvature from this. Geographically, I'm right there. Geographically on map, I live by the fireworks, so. I'm in northern Brooklyn, so easy access. Is that lightning too? Nature's fireworks as well would be epic. It's an epic video itself. You're in a lucky spot, guys. I'm not kidding. Go it on YouTube. I usually film on the roof or out the 11th floor or 14th, wherever I get the best access. Some floors are too high and I have to dip down like that, real down. Or I have to go high in the sky in many videos. No matter if it's nature's or not. Additional fireworks are being thrown everywhere, but these are the ones everyone wants. Oh, oh, beautiful for spacious skies, forever waves are brave, for purple mountain majesties, above the fruited plains, America, America, God bless the land of thee. Thy brotherhood to brotherhood, from sea to shining sea. Let me try again. Sea to shining, clear my voice 100 times. Sea. I can hold that up more than 11 seconds, 20 seconds. Those 11 or more. Alright, they're going ballistic. Sorry, just making a video. Okay, when they go ballistic, I gotta... It's the ending of the ending, I believe. I'm not rushing it. You'll see a lot of noise at the end and see a lot of fireworks. More than you're seeing than usual and now. But you should know that. Here we go. Thing I've always wanted out of life. I'm kidding. Yeah, some people tell me I suck in videos. I don't care because I know I could do better than them. Blinding. It's better than seeing nothing. People are watching that on TV now. And they're singing all these patriotic songs. I know, you want me to shut up. I talk too much. You want to watch in peace. Okay. Here's the ending of the ending. It's going to block out the bridge. It's like a big bonfire in space. Okay, here we go. You can barely see nothing but smoke. I'm gonna have to zoom in right now. They're going ballistic and crazy. I can feel the magic floating in